I'm Jake Cashmere at the Palm Beach County Courthouse covering Tim Ferriter's child abuse trial. Ferriter faces 40 years if he's convicted of child abuse, aggravated child abuse, child neglect, and false imprisonment. His future is now in the hands of 6 jurors who must decide unanimously his fate. Ferriter decided not to testify in his own defense earlier today. That paved the way for closing arguments. That took center stage. The state opened. Prosecutor Brianna Coakley told the jury this family appeared normal on the outside, but they were anything but on the inside behind closed doors. And locking up his son in this room, she says it was the worst possible thing you could do. It was cruel, malicious, heinous, and systemic torture. She showed intense ring camera clips of angry and frustrating exchanges by Ferriter toward his son, threatening inhumane treatment she says the victim was led to believe is what he deserved. Now, the defense arguing Ferriter was not perfect, but didn't cause the behaviors of his son. He was only trying to monitor and control them. And this decision isn't about whether you condone his actions. Priya Murad said Tim had no criminal intent and the physical discipline was reasonable based on the persistent, difficult behavior he experienced for years.
Under or behind the facade of an ordinary family, there was the treatment and isolation, the systematic isolation and confinement of when he was 14 years old, in that room, in their garage. This was a systemic, harmful, cruel action by those people that he loved and he trusted. And under the law, it's something that's called child abuse.
This is not fun for them. Waking up in the middle of the night to see if your kid stole an iPad from his sister is not enjoyable for a parent. Staying up in the middle of the night to make sure that your kid isn't doing something they're not supposed to do, keeping that kind of hypervigilance year after year after year for almost a decade is not something that a parent wishes to do. But they had to keep this type of monitoring.
Jury deliberations begin tomorrow morning at 8:30. Reporting live from the Palm Beach County Courthouse, I'm Jake Cashmere. Back to you.